What's going on, YouTube, my family and my friends? Excellent Dreams here, back with another exclusive video for you today. I'm gonna let the intro roll. Okay, so here we have this out here being cute design. And with this design here, there's multiple ways that you can do it. I have this available on my Etsy shop, available in the link down below. Check it out. We're gonna dive right into it. Okay, so we have this out here being cute design. I have a few different mock-ups to show you. Let's go back. I thought I had more mock-ups, but this is it. And that's okay. So what we want to do next is we want to go to our folder that we downloaded. Which will include all of these files right here. A lot of SVG files. And then we have a guide file. The guide file here will let you know what each piece of the design is supposed to be size dimension to. Alright, let's open up our Cricut and dive right in. Let's do a new project. If y'all don't know already, I do my own sound effects. Just waiting on the shit to load. It's taking its precious time to load. And that's okay. If you're a crafter, you already know that it's going to take its precious time to load. You can decide to close it down and quit it and reopen it. It might load faster the second time around or not. Alright, there it is. Alright, here we go. Let's do a new project. Bing bong. Bing bong. Bong bing. Ding. Like my cell phone said. How long is it gonna take? I'm working with 32 gigabytes of RAM here. So, I don't know. We will wait for it. Okay, so here we are in design space. Let's just go to upload. Upload image. Let's go to browse. Okay. Next, let's go to our out here being cute folder. Now inside this folder we have the guide, which we will not upload the guide. Let's go back. Okay, so here's the guide right here. The guide shows that there's text in the inside there's this cute rhinestone template. Then we have text here, outside and inside. Alright, so let's go. What we want to load into here first is our out here being outside. No, let's do the outline. Let's do the outline first. The outline will give you your outline to which you need to work with. Let's browse. Let's go to our outline and open. There it is. Upload. Now what you would do first is you would cut this out first. So let's add the canvas. What you want to do is check the size dimensions. We check the size dimensions by going to our guide. And it says that that part is supposed to be, go back to Cricut. See what part we're working on. Looks like it's just the black outline files. Which means that part is supposed to be right here. 8.979 6587. Let's go here. 8.579 by, I need to check it again. My memory is not that good. 6587 right here. Bing bong. 6587. Alright. There it is. 8.579 by 6.587. And we can just go to make it. And there it is right there. Whatever color you decide to choose, you can decide to choose that, lay it on your mat, and cut that out on your vinyl cutter. Let's go to the next part here. Let's go to upload. Now let's do this cutie inside part. Which will go inside the outline. Let's add that to the canvas. Remember, we want to check our size dimensions here. Based on our guide. Go back to the guide. And it says that inside part right here is supposed to be 8599 by 6065. Let's ungroup it. 8.599 times 6. Let's double check. 065. 6.065. Tab. And there it is right there, y'all. Alright, let's move right along. Let's delete this. Because if we hit make it, it's going to cut it out in whatever color you decide to place on your mat. So let's go back. Let's delete this. Let's move on to the next part. Let's upload image, browse. So we already did the inside and the outline. Let's cut out the stones part right here. Cut stones. That's the cute that it needs to be. Let's upload it. Click on it and then add the canvas. Once again, we want to check the size based on the guide. Let's go back to the guide. That stone part right here of this cube is supposed to be 8.555 by 5863. Alright, let's click on it. Ungroup it. Let's unlock the proportions right here. 8.555 times, I like to double triple check, 5863. Let's hit tab right here to lock it in. And now we have our cute design that is 8555 by 5.863. I like to double, triple, quadruple check. 8555 5.863. We have it. Bing bong. Let's make it. Alright, once we hit make it, it's going to place it on our mat with whatever vinyl color we chose. And let's continue and print this out. Print it in, print it in. Alright, let's go back. Let's delete this part because there's multiple parts in this design. So let's hit upload. Let's go back to upload image and browse. So now we've done the cute inside outline and the stones one. Is there stones two? No. Alright, that's everything there. I'm gonna hit cancel there. I'm gonna bring this down. Bring this down.